Which metal was used to produce the very first official coin issued by the United States? Copper, silver, gold, nickel. The correct answer is copper. Which famous artwork depicts the biblical scene of the Last Judgment, showing the final fate of souls in Christian belief? The Last Supper by Leonardo da Vinci, The School of Athens by Raphael, The Last Judgment by Michelangelo, The Creation of Adam by Michelangelo. The correct answer is The Last Judgment by Michelangelo. The army of Carthage famously deployed war elephants during the Punic Wars. Which type of elephant is widely believed to have been used by commanders such as Hannibal? Asian elephants, African forest elephants, North African elephants, Indian elephants. The correct answer is North African elephants. The element gallium shares very similar chemical properties with which other element? Aluminum, copper, iron, zinc. The correct answer is aluminum. Early written accounts of cynocephali, a legendary race of dog-headed humans, appear most prominently in the writings of which ancient civilization? Norse, Greek, Aztec, Chinese. The correct answer is Greek. Which musical was based on Victor Hugo's classic novel? Les Miserables, The Phantom of the Opera, My Fair Lady, Cats. The correct answer is Les Miserables. What material is used for the filament in most light bulbs? Copper, iron, tungsten, aluminum. The correct answer is tungsten. Which empire was founded and ruled by Genghis Khan? Roman Empire, Mongol Empire, Ottoman Empire, Persian Empire. The correct answer is Mongol Empire. The Canary Islands are a territory of which country? Portugal, Spain, Italy, South Africa. The correct answer is Spain. Which 19th century English author wrote the novel Oliver Twist? Charles Dickens, Jane Austen, Thomas Hardy, William Thackeray. The correct answer is Charles Dickens. Which country is widely credited as the birthplace of paper money? Egypt, China, Greece, India. The correct answer is China. What animal is a mandrill? A type of lizard, a species of monkey, a large bird, a wild cat. The correct answer is a species of monkey. The devastating medieval pandemic known as the Black Death was actually which disease? Smallpox, cholera, bubonic plague, influenza. The correct answer is bubonic plague. During cheese production, what is the clear liquid that separates from milk curds called? Casein, lactose, whey, buttermilk. The correct answer is whey. What nickname is commonly given to the day the US stock market crashed in 1929? Dark Monday, Black Tuesday, Silver Thursday, Black Friday. The correct answer is Black Tuesday.